students, I am your maths teacher. In today's class, we are going to see about simplification. That is, we are going to apply BODMAS rule. So what is the format of BODMAS rule? B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D division, M multiplication, A addition and S subtraction. So you are going to follow these order. So first we are going to give the importance in your question. If you are going to have the bracket means first you are going to give the importance for the bracket values. Second of, third division, fourth multiplication, fifth addition and sixth subtraction. So this is the order and we are going to follow this order while you are doing your simplification. So now we are going to start with exercise 6. Simplify the following. Just if you see the question here, students, what are all the signs you are having here? Division, subtraction, multiplication and subtraction. So if you note here, you are having the bracket, but you have to be very careful. If you are having the bracket means according to the rule, first you have to give the importance for bracket. But the concept here is, inside the bracket, if you are going to have one value, we are not going to take it we are not going to consider the bracket. If you are going to have one value means, we are not going to give the importance for bracket. We are going to give the importance only for the operation. So division, multiplication and subtraction. So according to this, we are not going to see the bracket, students. For negative sign only, if you are having one term, we are not going to give the importance for bracket. So division, multiplication, subtraction means which one is going to come first? According to the mathematical operation, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. First you are going to give the importance for division. So division, you are going to divide 63 by minus 7. While you are dividing, you are going to get the value as minus 9. So after calculating these values, I am going to get the value as minus 9. So remaining you are going to have into minus 2. After calculating this one, you are going to get the value as 18. Suppose, if without knowing this rule, just like that, if you are going to try the sum in any other way, suppose if you are going to multiply like this, minus into minus plus 7 2s are 14, then if you divide means you will get some value, but that is not the correct answer. According to the rule, BODMAS rule only, you have to apply the calculation, students. Coming to the next one, if you see here, first you are going to see the bracket value. If you are going to have only one term, there is no problem. If you are going to have more than one term means you have to give the importance for bracket. Only one term means there is no problem at all. So if in this case you are having multiplication, subtraction and division. So according to the rule, first you are going to calculate the division part. Near to division, you are going to see the values minus 24 divided by minus 4. If you divide, you are going to get the value as 6. All these calculations you are going to try it in your rough work. So after solving this one, you are going to get the answer 6 into 6, 36. The values will get reduced. Same way, this sum, multiplication, subtraction, only these two concepts you are having. You are having two multiplication here, students. Inside the bracket, one term means we are not going to give the importance for bracket. You are going to give the importance only for the operation. Two multiplication values you are having here. 17 into minus 4 multiply, you are going to get the value as minus 68. Minus 3 into 11 minus 33, middle you are going to have a negative sign. Minus into minus plus, simplify, you will get the answer as minus 35. Coming to question number 8. So if you see this particular sum, it will be little bit complicated, but don't get confused here, students. What is the rule? First bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. In this case, you are having three different types of bracket. The first one is open bracket, flower bracket, then you are having square bracket. Totally, you are having 4 different types of bracket. In this place, you are having 3 brackets. So in case of 3 brackets means, First you are going to go for the innermost part. First you are going to do the calculation in the innermost part, then only you are going to come for the outer part. So I am going to take the innermost part here, students. You are not going to worry about any other thing. You are going to concentrate only in innermost part of the calculation. So if you check the innermost part, I am having this value, that is 3 of 6 minus 36. You are going to, if you can't do the calculation inside this, take the value outside separately in your rough work. Right here, students, instead of you are going to write it as multiplication. Always this of will be converted to multiplication, then multiply the value. Multiply the value, you are going to get the value as 18. If you subtract, you are going to get the value as minus 18. After getting the value as minus 18, replace. So what is the final answer I am getting here? For this particular innermost bracket, I am getting the value as minus 18. After replacing, plus into minus, minus 18. So the open bracket is over. That is, we have found the value, just we are leaving out that open bracket. Remaining, you are having only two brackets. Again you are going to see the innermost, second innermost bracket is flower bracket. 16 minus 18, calculate, you are going to get the value as minus 2. Then minus into minus plus, just I am removing this flower bracket, remaining 1, calculate, simplify, you are going to get the answer as 27. Maybe while I am telling the sum, it may look easier, but only when you try the sum, you know the confusions wherever you are getting. Only if you give work for your hand, you will understand the concept here, students. Coming to the next question. Question number 9. What is the speciality of question number 9 is, in question number 9, you are having 4 different types of brackets. All the different types of brackets we are applying here. If you see a 6 minus 2 bar means, don't think that it is an operation. It is one of the type of bracket we are using in this place. So this is the innermost, then open bracket, flower bracket and square bracket. 6 minus 2, if you calculate, please understand, we are not going to take this negative sign. The concept is 6 minus 2. So we are not considering this particular sign. Just I have done in the rough work. 6 minus 2, if you calculate, you are going to get the value as 4. 11 minus 4. After calculating 11 minus 4, I am getting the value as 7. I am just removing that open bracket. Coming to the flower bracket, 27 minus 7, you are going to get the value as 20. Divide, you will get the answer. So you are going to try the sum carefully, students. Coming to question number 10. Now in this case, you are going to have the values in the form of fraction. Division, multiplication. First you are going to do the division operation, then you are going to come for multiplication. So what is the thing I am going to do here is, wherever you are going to have division means you are going to write it as multiplication. The next value, that is this particular value, you are going to change it as reciprocal. Be careful. Next to division, while you are converting this division into multiplication, you are going to convert this particular fraction into reciprocal, that is 15 by 7. Then simplify, you will get the value as 32 by 21. You can stop the value in like this itself, students, or if you want to get the book answer means you can write it as mixed fraction, or you can stop like this itself. Same way, the second sum also in this way. But coming to 10-3, if you see here 10-1 and 10-3, both the questions are same, but what is the difference is, in this place you are having it in the form of multiplication, and this place you are having in the form of. So what is the difference here is, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So first preference we are going to give for of. You are going to convert this of into multiplication. Then what is the next step I am going to do here is, students, while you are converting this into multiplication, both the values will be converted into reciprocal. That is the concept they are telling here. Similarly, if you see these second sum and fourth sum, both the questions are same. Second sum, last value I will keep it as it is 1 by 2, but in this place the last value, both these values will be converted to reciprocal, that is of, you are going to write it as into, it will remain as it is 1 by 2. While you are converting this division into multiplication, both the fractions will be converted to reciprocal in case of off. So be careful, don't get confused. Already you are having multiplication sign directly means it will not be converted. But while you are converting this off into multiplication, then you are converting this one means they are changing this part into reciprocal. So in this place be careful while you are doing the sum. Coming to question number 6 here, students. So if you see this question, what is the value they are given here is, they are given you in the form of fraction and also in mixed fraction. First, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Just convert this mixed into, that is 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4, 9 by 5. Similarly, convert these two mixed fraction into improper fraction. Write the remaining operations as it is. Next, if you check here, you are not having the bracket. Next, you are going to come to off. Be careful, students. I am converting this off into. I am writing the value as it is. Next, what are all the operations we are having here? Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. What I am doing here is, please understand, bracket off we are going to convert into multiplication. That means this operation, the meaning of off is multiplication. So that is why I am simplifying this value first. That first preference we are giving for off. That is why I am simplifying the value. After simplifying, I am going to get the value as 2 by 1. So 9 by 5 minus 2 by 1 plus remaining value. While you are coming for the next operation, I am converting this division into multiplication. While you are converting, you are going to write it in the form of reciprocal. Simplify. Then you are going to check the denominator. While you are checking the denominator, it is different. Take LCM. While you are taking LCM, you are going to get the LCM as 60. Make the denominator same. Simplify, and the final answer is going to be 13 by 60, and this is the way of doing the sum. Coming to 11(3). If you see here, what is the operation we are having here? And another important thing, this without knowing, first we'll be concentrating only on the operations, but we are having bracket in this place. We are having two brackets. First, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. After converting, simplify the values inside the bracket. After simplifying, making the denominator same, I am simplifying the value here, students. After simplifying, I will be getting some values. Now you can remove the bracket. After removing, simplify, and the final answer is going to be 119 divided by 108. Coming to question number 14. So if you have to be careful while you are reading the question, students. They are asking you to prove that left hand side, they will be giving you the value equal to right hand side. They are asking you to simplify left hand side and right hand side, and they are asking you to check whether these two, that is, they are not asking you to check, they are telling that both left hand side and right hand side answer will be the same. Left hand side, I am taking the question here, students. I am writing the question in this place. Simplify the term, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. After converting, go to the bracket value, simplify the bracket by taking LCM, making the denominator same. Then simplify, I am getting the value as 91 by 4. Mark it as equation 1. Similarly, I am taking the right hand side question. According to the BODMAS rule, simplify, students, take LCM, and the final answer is going to be 91 by 4, equation 2. So from 1 and 2, we are getting that left hand side equal to right hand side. So whenever they are going to ask you the question as prove that, means definitely left hand side and right hand side answer will be the same. You are going to apply the rule properly and then find the answer. So in this class, we have completed the concept based on simplification, students. Work out as many times as possible, and wherever necessary, please do your rough work and write neatly in your classwork note. Thank you.